everybody, welcome back. My name is Sydney. If you're new, welcome. I am so excited to film this video today because I finally got this in the mail. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks almost for this to come in the mail, and it finally came in, and it is the Blue Blood collection. I'm so excited for this collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. You know that I love Jeffree Star if you've been on my channel. I just adore him, and all of his makeup products are literally bomb. So I'm so excited to try this out. Along with the Blue Blood palette, I also got the Blue Blood liquid lipsticks that are like a lip bundle, and they look like this. And then I bought his mirror because I don't have one of his mirrors, and I really wanted one because I think they're so cute. And talking about mirrors, since I have one of these now, we can go ahead and do the right intro for this video. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Okay, I did not do that justice. But anyways, cute black mirror. Then I got 2 of the liquid frost. I got the ones that I could wear. They had beautiful blue shades that they came out with, or he came out with. And I was gonna get all of them, but then I was like, I don't think I'm gonna actually use the blue ones on an everyday basis. I would get more use out of these. This one is called Cream Bling. And then this one is called Expensive. So this one's more of like a deeper gold, and then this one's more like a lighter champagne-y gold-ish color, and they're both so gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this on my body and on my face. I just can't wait. And then I also got this makeup bag, which is super big. I did not expect it to be this big. It can actually fit this whole Blue Blood palette in the makeup bag, so I thought that was really cool. These are huge. I actually have one of Jeffree Star's other makeup bags. It's like a pink one that zips on the top, and it is humongous, and I absolutely love them. So I'm really excited I got this blue one. Okay, so I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going for today, but I'm just gonna play around, have fun, do my honest review on these items, and I'm wanting to tell you guys if I think this collection is worth your guys' money. It is a beautiful collection by just looking at it, so I feel like it is gonna be worth your money, but just in case, I am going to test out all of these products and let you know. If you would like to see a full review on the Blue Blood collection, then just keep on watching. Okay, so on my face, I have foundation, concealer, brows, and then eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, and that is it. I just wanted to set my base and get it ready for all these products because y'all probably don't want to see my everyday stuff anyways. So I put on this base. This is the P. Louise base, and it's a really great base for making your eyeshadow last all day long. Like, this will make my eyeshadow last more than 12 hours, and it will look just as vibrant in the morning than at night. So I love this stuff. I'm actually using the shade 2 right now on my eyelids. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought before buying this. I actually got 0, 1, and 2, and like 0 and 1 are way too light, so I just stick to using number 2. So if you're looking for a great eyeshadow primer, definitely look up P. Louise because they're bomb. So I just want to start off with the eyeshadows first to get that out of the way. This is the packaging. It looks like a coffin, which I think is what he was going for. Super cute. This is like my favorite color blue. I actually had my nails this color blue 2 or 3 weeks ago. I was hoping that the palette would come in before I needed to get my nails done again, but unfortunately, it wasn't in time for my nails to be matching. We're just gonna open this up and show you guys the palette. Ugh. So I'm pretty sure that most people out there have seen all the color shades, so I'm just gonna move on to getting to the shadow part. I'm actually going to use a Morphe M433 to start off, and I want to just dip into I'm Cold. So just dipping into I'm Cold, it's like a baby blue color, super cute, and I'm just gonna blend this into the crease area. Oh, I should be using my new mirror. So I just finished blending I'm Cold into the crease, and this is what it looks like. It's actually such a beautiful color. It's a light Tiffany blue almost, and it is very pigmented but super easy to blend out. So I really like this shade, and if all the mattes in this palette are the same as this one, then this is gonna be such an amazing palette. I'm gonna be obsessed with it. So next I just want to go in with Blue Blood right here. It's like a little bit darker than I'm Cold and a little bit more blue, if that makes sense. I'm Cold is more like a Tiffany almost mint blue, and Blue Blood is more like a pure blue color. So I'm just going to take that and then blend it right below. Oh, I'm just going to blend it right below the shade that I just put in the crease. Alright, so there is Blue Blood blended into the crease area along with I'm Cold, and I love it. I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. It's so blue. Would I wear this out in public on a normal basis? No, but this is a very fun palette. I think it's super different, and I love it personally. I would probably wear it if I had like a super cute blue outfit just to like be fun one day. But I would not wear this every day. Not everybody would wear blue eyeshadow every day, but this is very gorgeous and I'm obsessed. So yeah, let's just keep moving on. So there is a little bit of fallout that falls below right here. It doesn't bother me at all. I'm just letting people know out there that there is fallout. For me, I just wipe it off or either do my eyes before my face. So if you do get this palette, you might want to consider to do your eyes before your face. Next, I'm going to take the shade Blue Monday, and this is such a gorgeous color. It's right here, and it reminds me of like a I don't know, like a electric blue almost. I don't know. I just love this shade. It reminds me of, yeah. So I just love this shade. I'm gonna place the color Blue Monday on the outer corner and the inner corner to create kind of like a halo effect. I'm not doing anything crazy, but I want to see, like, I think this would be a really pretty color to like make a halo eye out of. So we're gonna do that. So I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but this area right here is getting a little patchy, just a little bit. I do normally have products not cling to this area because it usually has like dry spots, but it does look a little more patchy than usual. But I'm gonna try to pack it on there a little bit more and blend and see if I can kind of fix the patchiness. So as you can see, it's a little patchy in these areas. I tend to get patchy there normally, but it's looking a little more patchy than usual. I was hoping it wasn't gonna look like that, but it's okay. We'll make it work. We're gonna actually add in this dark color right here. It's called Undertaker. And this should fix the patchiness unless this shadow is like super patchy, but I doubt that it will be. So we're just gonna take that and deepen up the inner and outer corners. Okay, so I've been playing with the eyeshadows and I got them to look a little bit better. I think this is because it was a pressed pigment. I'm not really sure which eyeshadows in this palette are pressed pigments, but I would assume that this one might be like these two, so they might be a little harder to work with, which is okay. I just didn't know. It's not looking terrible, so don't get me wrong. I still think this is like a super gorgeous palette. It's just kind of hard to work with because it's a little bit patchy in some areas, but I'm gonna just have to work around it and blend. I'm just gonna keep moving on and then come back and fix the other areas. I kind of want to put this color right here all over the lid. It's called Ice Tray, so I'm probably gonna do that. So just take Ice Tray and put it in the center. I'm probably gonna squirt it with some Morphe setting spray also. So this is already making this eyeshadow look come together and look a lot better. So I'm just gonna continue to do this on this eye. and this look should start to come together. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend the outer corners once again. Hopefully it doesn't start to get splotchy again, or patchy I mean. Hopefully it starts to come together once I do this. Okay, so I'm still kind of having trouble with that one shade Undertaker, so I kind of want to add some black. I'm just gonna add black to the outer corner to deepen it up even more and hopefully cover up the patches. I don't think this is the palette's fault necessarily. It could have been me, it could have been the primer I used. I do like that primer, but some primers work better for other eyeshadows. I'm actually gonna try the MAC paint pot with this and maybe I'll get a better outcome, but everything looks so beautiful. Just that one shade is getting a little patchy, but that's literally it. If you just add black to the patchy area, it usually covers it up and it looks decent. So I'm just gonna be adding the black. See, that almost made the patches disappear. So that's why I like doing that trick whenever I am desperate to fix the patches. But now we're just gonna kind of blend it. I have been trying to fix the outer corners that seem to be more patchy, and it's kind of hard to cover up even after I used a black eyeshadow, which usually does the trick. I'm not really sure why it's doing this. I've never had a problem with Jeffree Star products, nor do I think this eyeshadow palette is bad at all. I want to make that very clear that I don't like. Many different things can cause your eyeshadows to patch. It could be the eyeshadow, it could be the primer, it could be the brushes you use. It just depends on the combination of items that you do use. I just feel like today I'm having just like a little bit trouble on the outer V, but it still does not look terrible. It just looks patchy on the outer V. So other than that, the shades look really pretty and I'm really enjoying this blue shade that's in the center of my eye. I actually want to add a little bit of this white shade to the center of the eye to make it pop a little bit more. I think that would be really pretty. This is like a super white sparkly color and I already knew that it was going to be gorgeous, so I'm just going to pat it, see what that does compared to this eye. It just makes it pop a little bit more and I really like that look. Okay, so that is probably the best I can get right now. I'm going to actually clean up with some concealer because I did get a lot of fallout, so I had to wipe it with a makeup wipe. So I'm just going to add a little more concealer. Okay, so that is what we're going to keep the eyes at. It looks actually pretty good now that I fixed everything, added the concealer, and yeah, I think it looks really nice and really pretty. I want to add just a little more of that white on the lid again just to make it pop a little bit even more. So like that, I think that's really pretty. I feel like I keep like messing with the outer corner and it just keeps getting worse when I touch it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone how it is. Now I want to try actually the liquid frost. I've never tried his liquid frost before, so I'm really excited. I'm actually going to use this little brush that came in his brush set with Morphe, and I thought it was like the perfect brush to like blend out a highlighter with. So basically you just kind of like screw off the top and then pump the top part, and then it just like comes out like that, and you just add it to your face. So that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, so I think that's really pretty. My skin does look a little bit blue, but that's from all the fallout that like hit my face, but that highlighter is really pretty. I don't know if you can tell right here. You can definitely tell it has like a greenish blue undertone, and also I would work really fast because it dries super fast, because I was like blending this side out and I forgot about my nose and it kind of like ended up kind of it was like drying down. So I would hurry up and just blend, and a lot goes a long way. I mean, a little goes a long way. I kind of feel like a blue ice princess right now. Okay, so looking at everything, I do really enjoy everything at the moment. Even though we had like a little bit of trouble with the eyeshadow, it's over now and we're all good. So I want to go ahead and move on to the lower lash line area and start blending out some of the shades that I used on the top on the bottom. So we're just gonna go ahead and start off with this shade that we took called Blue Blooded. We're just gonna blend that on the lower lash line. Okay, so now we're just going to take the dark shade that we were kind of having trouble with called Undertaker and just blend that closer to the lash line to darken up the lower lash line. And then we are going to take the white Cullen shade and put it right in the inner corner to make it pop like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take that Cullen shade and also just add a little bit to my brow bone to highlight this look up. Okay, so as you can see, it looks really beautiful now. It just takes a little bit of time to work with, but it is super beautiful, and I am going to apply some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the look with the lashes on. I actually used the lashes Violet Voss in Just Slaying, and I like them. They're kind of heavy, but they're kind of spiky, which is what I prefer in lashes, and they're super pretty. Now to move on to the last part of this, it's the lipsticks, and these are all the ones that it comes with. Super pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with this one called Ice Tray because I like can't get over this color. It's so pretty. It's like a periwinkle purpley blue, and I just love it so much. So I'm gonna apply this to my lips. Alright, so there we have it, the full blue, well not full, everything that I got in the collection, and I loved everything. I don't want everybody out there to think just because one shade in the palette was a little off for me today, doesn't mean I hate this product at all. I actually I just kissed this. I actually love this palette a lot. I came up with this beautiful eyeshadow look that I don't think any other palette would be able to complete. Like, I think this is a very unique palette. Also, the liquid lipsticks are bomb always. They always have the same formula. They're always consistent. This color is super cute. I don't think I would wear it out, but this is super cute. Also, the liquid highlighters are really, really pretty, and I didn't even get to show you this one, so I'm just gonna show you on the back of my hand. So that's what this one looks like. It's actually like a dark gold, but it actually has like green sparkles, so it's really pretty. I liked everything. I love this makeup bag. If you can get your hands on his makeup bags, definitely go do that because they're amazing. Loved the eyeshadow palette again, loved the highlighters, and loved the liquid lipsticks. This just kind of shows makeup isn't easy and it does take practice and patience. So if you're not getting the right look you're looking for, just work with it and I promise the outcome will be worth it. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry this video was a little crazy, but yeah. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!